introduced, and they will be judging the different entries that you will be presenting and performing in a while. This is a good treat. It's a very good treat for the Bicol University community. Itong pagtipon-tipon natin ngayon, nagkakasayahan, iisa lang ang mithiin natin ang magpasaya because we are still celebrating the Pasko at Saya. And while watching you doing the parade a while ago, mukha kayong mga aninipot, mga it was so beautiful to look at yung nagtipon-tipon kayo at nagpaparade kayo with your props na kumikuti-kutita. We were thinking that maybe next year we could, and it's a challenge given to the humanities department, we could have this activity as the opening salvo of the Pasko at Saya, which is another tradition that we are practicing here in Bicol University. How's that, Professor Chavilla? Approve? Approve daw. So, hindi natin patatagalin. Congratulations din sa kanya-kanyang faculty members na naghahanda ng mga estudyante. I know you came here prepared, and all of you would say, gusto niyong manalo, but unfortunately, may mga judges tayong in-invite that will really do their job in selecting who's the best among the best. So, nito ako doon, the best among the best. Sino nga ba talaga? Sila ang makakalam yun, and later on, they will be announcing the winner before. And marami silang ibibigay na prize. House and lot daw. Tama? Paano kayo kung house and lot? Lahat kayo dun magsisiksikan. Hindi naman kaya foldable ref para dala-dala nyo kahit saan. So, with that, I'd just like to say congratulations to all of you for coming up with this great activity, which is a very good treat before we part ways for our Christmas break and also our SEM break. So, sana wala na kayong mga backlogs, wala na kayong mga exams na kailangan pa. Mayroon pa. Wala na. So, kung yung mga mayroon pa man, ngayong gabi, iiwan muna, limutan muna dahil dito ay, tayo lang ay magsaya. Okay? Pasko at saya. So, to all of you, Merry, 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 Merry Christmas.
Dr. Boris for gracing the BU Green Christmas. At this point, let us witness the teaser of the BU Green Christmas 2023.
Madya, magugma, awiton ta ang musika kan kapasukan sa Bicol Christmas Caroling Competition. Magbulbayling, gabus kita magkridol-kidol sa mass dancing and dance competition. Ilawan ta ang Pasko sa Green Lantern Parade and Competition. Madya, magugma, marina sa BU Green Christmas 2023.
The BU Green Christmas is made possible by Office of Student Affairs and Services, College of Arts and Letters Humanities Department, and BU Central ng Wika at Kultura.
To celebrate the Christmas season, let us welcome the BU Magayon Dance Troupe in their Pastores performance.
María,
Dance Troupe. Thank you very much, BU Magayon Dance Troupe. At this point, we shall witness the presentation of the general guidelines for,
Bicol University Green Christmas.
specifically, we have the Lantern Competition, the original Bicol Christmas Caroling Competition,
And later on, we'll have, of course, the presentation of the 5 finalists for Bicol Caroling.
and of course, the guidelines for the dance
Of
competition,
course.
Sir JC.
General Guidelines for 2023 BU Green Christmas Competition. Participation to the activity is a requirement to all students taking art course and open to other interested and accredited UBOs, CBOs. Participants will compete on the following events: Lantern Competition with 3 major prizes. Best Christmas Caroling Contest and BU Green Christmas Dance Competition. All entries for Bicol Christmas Caroling and Dance Contest will undergo screening and elimination process to select the 5 finalists for the events. Ratings for the elimination round has no bearings in the final competition. Judges' decision is final and irrevocable. Petition will not be entertained.
Guidelines for Lantern Competition and Best in Christmas-Inspired Attire. A prescribed lantern design is provided to participating groups. Accessories and other artistic elements is at the discretion of the participant. Major alteration of lantern design and prescribed size is a ground for disqualification. Use of indigenous and organic materials is encouraged. Battery-operated lighting materials must be incorporated in the design. Participants are required to join the parade in their Christmas-inspired attire. Prizes at stake for the Lantern Contest. First prize, 5,000. Second prize, 3,000. Third prize, 2,000. Best in Christmas-inspired attire contingent, 5,000. Criteria for judging, Lantern Contest. Loyalty to the prescribed design, 40%. Craftsmanship, 30%. Artistry, 30%, and a total of 100%. Best in Christmas-inspired attire. Attire, design and accessories colors, 40%. Makeup accessories, 30%. Moving choreography and group chant, 30%, for a total of 100%.
Ladies and gentlemen, our judges for the Lantern and Best in Christmas-Inspired Attire are of the following. A graduate of Bachelor in Secondary Education majoring Filipino cum laude, a licensed professional teacher, and currently a Master in Filipino student. Please welcome Miss Princess May O. Morota. Our next judge is a graduate of Bachelor of Arts in Journalism, visual artist, a committee member at Advocacy Albay, art exhibit contributor at Art Show Philippines, 4th runner-up, editorial cartooning English category at Regional Tertiary Schools Press Conference in 2020, qualifier at the 2020 Zone-Wide Higher Education Press Conference for editorial cartooning, first runner-up, editorial cartooning Filipino category at the Regional Schools Press Conference in 2017, third runner-up, editorial cartooning Filipino category at the Regional Schools Press Conference in 2016, 2 times National Schools Press Conference qualifier, and an outstanding campus journalist. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Christian Y. Viruega. Our last judge and the chair of the Board of Judges pursued a special program in the arts during junior high school and later graduated from the University of Santo Tomas Legazpi under the curriculum of Arts and Design. She has participated in both regional and national art competitions, showcasing her talents in both music and dance. She also demonstrated her theater acting skills at prominent venues such as the Cultural Center of the Philippines and the National Commission for Culture and the Arts. She received her Bachelor of Performing Arts Theater degree from Bicol University College of Arts and Letters batch of 2022 cum laude. She is currently working as a part-time instructor in the Performing Arts Theater Department in BU-CAL. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Vida Rafaela V. Candelaria.
Guidelines for Bicol Christmas Caroling Contest. Open to any interested singing group of Bicol University. Must be 12 to 16 members. A cappella or accompaniment. Repertoire must include one traditional or popular Christmas song as warm-up and one original Bicol Christmas song. 7 to 10-minute performance inclusive of intros and extra. At least 2-part harmony. Only one group will be declared as BU Green Christmas Caroler of the Year. Prizes at stake. BU Green Christmas Caroler of the Year, 8,000 pesos. Consolation prize, 4,000 pesos. Criteria for judging. Original composition. Marriage of words and music, 30%. Interpretation. Dynamics, voice chemistry, and production, 25%. Musicality, arrangement, balance, harmony, 25%. Warm-up piece, choice, and difficulty of piece, 20%. For a total of 100%.
Our judges for the Bicol Christmas Caroling Contest are seasoned songwriters, composers, performers, and church musicians. Our first judge is an advocate on the promotion and development of Bicol music. He has published albums of original Bicol songs through independent producers and fundings from the Prize winner of Magayon Songwriting Competition, a performer, composer, and songwriter, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Francisco Hicks Mitra of Kamalig Albay. Our judge number 2 is a founding member of the Kamalig Strings, a music educator, violin instructor, rondalla trainer, a retired DepEd teacher, and a composer and a church musician. Ladies and gentlemen, another Kamalig Don, Mr. Rodolfo Boy Duterte. Our judge number 3 is a seasoned choir trainer, musical director, researcher, composer arranger, and a retired Bicol University professor. Friends, the co-founder of Bungkul Singers and chair of the panel of judges, Mr. Inocencio B. Bermudo.
And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our panel of jurors for this year's Bicol University Green Christmas.
Before we proceed with the presentation of the caroling competition, we would like to remind our students to please be mindful of your personal belongings. Aside from that, also ating mga basura, just keep it, okay? And then of course, we would like to call on the finalists for the caroling competition to please stand by on the side of the stage so that once your group is called, you're ready to perform.
And while they're preparing, we would like to recognize, of course, and acknowledge the presence of the Language Center Director, Dr. Leticia Lopez over there. Okay, and of
Dr.
course,
Leslie, good evening.
yes, and of course, our Administrative Officer, Miss Michelle Andes, and staff na andoon po sa likod, kumakain ng pili. Okay. Ayan, so...
And of course, Sir JC, I would also like to remind the dance groups, the competing dance groups, to please coordinate with your music sa ating tech booth. Kindly please bring your music, a copy of music to our tech booth so that once you're called, everything will be smooth sailing. Okay? Are you ready for the first performer for the Bicol Caroling competition?
I think they are ready, but our carolers are not yet ready.
Okay, let's have a quick rundown of our performers for the Bicol Caroling competition. Our first performer is BSIT 3A and 3B, followed by AB Lit 1A and 1B, followed by Com 1A and 1B, followed by BTV TED 1A and 1B, and the last performer for the caroling competition is the BKED 1 and BSED 1. Sino kaya ang mga nanalo sa ating mga performers for tonight? And of course, let's have a quick rundown of our performers for the BU Green Christmas Dance Competition. Our first performer is BSC 2B, followed by BUCN 1D, ARCI 1 and 1B, Bea 1 and BSMT 1, and the last group to perform is the BSID 3C and BSChem 3.
Exciting!
Aha.
Okay, so sa tingin mo, sino mananalo sa caroling contest?
Yung pinakamagaling,
That's right. What about sa dance contest natin?
yung
You
pinakamahusay.
are absolutely right, Sir Uno.
Yes,
Welcome
sir.
to Bicol University.
Okay, sige. Sana may energy pa ang lahat, di ba?
Pero very energy yan.
Oo, kaya naman dapat naka-standby na ang ating mga carolers dito sa side ng stage because any moment ay magpa-perform na.
So while we are still preparing and waiting, of course, for our carolers, let's have a, tawag ito,
Ano, Sir
yung
JC?
call something,
Ano yung call?
yes, C-A-L-L.
Call of
Okay.
nature.
Nasaan yung mga taga-College of Education?
College of Education! Magingay! Ang tawag dyan, Sir JC, ay energy check.
Energy check. Sorry naman.
Okay.
Check na check!
Ano na lang natin? Yung per professor na lang para madali. Okay?
Pwede rin naman para mas mabilis, no?
Oo.
Okay. So, start.
Ako, yung klase ko unahin ko.
Sure.
Nasaan ang College of Nursing, BUCN 1A and 1B? Ang BSIT at saka BSM class, buhay pa ba kayo? Ang BSED at BKED 1A and... wala na? Okay, saan na nariyan pa kayo? Sir Jason, tawagin mo yung yung klase mo.
Hindi muna yung klase ko. Napaka-obvious naman natin. Of course, let's call the students of Professor Milyare, PSEM 1A and 4A. Nasaan kayo?
Ayun.
Ayan, syempre mga students si Sir Chavenia. We have a BS Architecture 1A, 1B, 1C, 1D, 1E, and 1F.
Oo, nabibigit na sila doon, Sir JC.
Ang dami.
Aha.
Okay, and of course kay Sir Sabdao, ang BSGE 2A and 2B.
Kaway-kaway! Ayun, ano yan sa gitna. And of course,
Students ni Mang Poha.
ni Ma'am Dominica Poha, BSFT, BSBA, BSCS, BSET, BSET, BTVTED, 1A and 1B.
Okay, so syempre ang ating students.
Ang students mo, Sir JC,
Oo, we start with the BA Communication 1A, 1B. And of course, our BSMT-MB Mayan. And our AV English Language 2A and 2B. Ayun, may energy pa sila.
at syempre, ang mga art appreciation classes naman ni Professor Joshua Alcon, BSBA, nasaan? Ayun, ang taas pa na energy ha, BS Econ,
Ayun.
BSBA MM1 and FM1, MF1, sorry. BSBA Management 1A and 1B. And of course, ang mga art appreciation classes naman ni Professor Hyacinth Asaytuno, BSN 1D and 1C,
Ayun, mga College of Nursing.
BSCE 2A and 2B, BCE 2C 2D. Ayun. And of course, ang mga art appreciation classes ni Professor Evelyn Olikino, ang BEd 1. BEd? Wala Wala na sila. Ayun! Ayun pala eh. And of course, ang art appreciation classes ni Professor Aldrin Belisario, Jorn 2A and 2B. Ayun, nasa gilid. BSIT 3A and 3B. And of course, the last but not the least, ang art appreciation classes ni Professor Paulo Samson, BSSW 3A and 3B. BSSW AB Social 3C. Ayun, nasa ulian. Okay. Are we ready with our first?
And yes, may go signal na po tayo.
Okay, let's witness our first contestant for the caroling competition.
Mic test, mic test, mic test.
Mic test, 1, 2, 3.
Mic test.
Mic test, 1, 2, 3. This is Rich 1075, music on wheels.
Marhay na banggi! Biyuhan nyo! So we are the musical IT coming from the Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, year 3 from Block A and B. So today we are going to do some caroling with a medley and an original song called Paskong Tirita. So sit back and enjoy. Let's go. Don't want love for Christmas. There's just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I just want you for
Thank you very much to our first contestant. Ayan.
PSID 3A and 3B. At this point, we shall call in our next contestant, AB Lit 1A and 1B.
Yes, these are my former students.
Let's go, guys!
Na-transfer kay Madam. Siyempre, storytelling muna tayo because
Storytelling.
our students are preparing.
Nakaka-good vibes, Sir JC, yung
That's
kanilang
right.
kanta, di ba?
That's true. It reminds me of Sir Aldrin. Ay, sorry.
It reminds me of a choral master.
Nasa ba si Aljang? Nandito ba siya?
Andiyan.
Nasaan? Ay, aba, nakipag-camouflage sa mga estudyante. Okay. Ayan.
Are you guys ready?
Not yet.
Magpa-prepare muna. Okay, sige. Our next contestant is AB Lit 1A and 1B. Nasaan kaya ang kanilang block? Ayun, nasa gitna. Todo suporta ang kanilang block.
At nandito yung mga taga-literature department, sina Ma'am Rog, si Ma'am
Siyempre
Rosa.
naman, nagsasanto Rosario na. Para manalo ang kanilang mga contestant, di ba?
That's right. Sir, parang di ba kayo sumalisin muna yung...
Hindi, kasi
Okay,
baka
ito
ma-out
na
of tune yung microphone, di ba?
Okay, so yan.
Okay? Ready na? Okay, sige. Sige po, pasok na kayo. You guys ready? Kindly please, guys, kindly please stay with your block para contingent pag tinawag kayo, baka mamaya kayo pala panalo sa most Christmassy contingent. Okay na? Ready na? Okay, sige. Let's witness the performance of AB Lit. Applause, please!
Hello, mic test. Amen! Hello. Mic check. Mic test. Mic test. Sound check.
Sound check.
Mic test. Oh, come let us adore Him. Oh, come let us adore Him. Sumisibok-tibok, bubusibok-silap, sumisinok-sinok, lalagindang mga bukid. Gigindat-gindat, kukurap-kurap, pinaglaruan ng iyong mga mata. Kukuti-kutita, bubusibok-silap, yan ang urap ng mga bukid. Tumitibok-tibok, sumisinok-sinok, anong palarapin iba't iba palamuti ating isabit sa puno. Uhusan ng mga kulay, tambakan ng mga regalo. Tumitibok-tibok, sumisinok-sinok, ang manunod sa sabi. Pupulupulupot,
1A and 1B, my former students. Siyempre sabihin ko yun because bago sa nalipat sa kabila, estudyante ko sila. Hi!
Napakaganda ng boses nila, Sir JC. Sa totoo lang, habang kinakanta nila yung Oh Holy Night, parang pakiramdam ko yung mga anghel na bumababa sa langit at kumakanta.
Oo, pero may comment doon si Mamero na nakatingin na parang may...
Ano daw po ang comment ng ating
Pasensya po, yung mga hindi MC, walang opinion.
Of course, that's the AB Lit 1A and 1B. Ang ating next performer ay ang Com 1A and 1B.
That's right.
Ayan, sige po, akit na po tayo sa entablado. Nasaan po ang Com 1A and 1B? Aba naman! Sige, suportahan natin mamaya. Dapat kasing lakas pa rin yan ang ating cheer. While they are getting ready,
That's right. We would like, of course, to thank our panel of adjudicators, our judges. It's a difficult task. Maraming salamat po sa pagtalo at sa paghiham sa Bicol University.
they're having a hard time. Ano ka ba, Sir JC? Tingnan mo naman ang ating mga parol na naroon sa ating 4 pillars. Diba talaga namang nagniningning? Meron na kayang resulta ang naganap na botohan ng mga judges? Ready na ba kayo? Ay, andyan na pala kayo.
Ayun pala sila sa likod. Okay. Christmas po ito, hindi Halloween.
Let's welcome! Let's welcome the Com 1A and 1B! What's up, communication? Sino tunay na magaling? Communication! Lahat ay kayang tibagin? Communication! Sino tunay na magaling? Communication! Lahat ay kayang tibagin? Communication!
Everything to know is your baby.
communication students, Merry Christmas. Oh, natapos ko.
A round of applause for Com 1A and 1B. Our next performer is the Bitivited 1A and 1B. Sige.
Yan, so syempre,
While they are getting ready,
So, Sir Uno, ano yung Christmas gift na wish mo ngayong taon?
matapos ang thesis ng lahat ng mga estudyante, requirements, makasubmit on time ng grades, at lahat ng wish natin ay matupad.
Okay.
Yun. Yun lamang po.
Okay, so yun. Wag to ang mga... thank you very much ating mga Cal faculty members who are still here supporting our department.
Mamaya nga pala, Sir JC at everyone, ang ating dance competition ay mangyayari dyan sa front ng stage.
That's right. So we will be requesting later on yung mga estudyante na nasa unahan to kindly vacate the front area. Okay.
Pero just remain seated on the ground para yung mga nasa hulihan can see the performance. And sa ating mass dancing, ito yung gagawin natin. The first song ng BU Green Christmas, ang sasayawin natin yung basic steps na natutunan natin sa video tutorial. And the second round naman ay yung ating unique dance steps na ginawa natin sa klase. At pagkatapos, after that performance, sabay-sabay nating itatapon sa area ang ating mga hand props. Para ma-capture through a video, di ba? Parang fireflies effect na nasa ere.
That's right.
Okay.
Yun ang nasasabi ko. That's right.
So ready na ba ang ating susunod na performer? Getting ready
Ay,
pa rin.
hindi pa raw sabi ni Sir.
Naubusan na tayo ng kwento.
May kwento ako sa inyo.
Sir JC, ano
po?
nga pala ulit yung mapapanalunan ng ating
Okay, so babalik ako doon.
sige.
Siyempre,
Ikwento mo sa
over
atin.
tayo, Sir Uno.
Magkano
our
ang
2023 BU Green Christmas Dance Group winner will receive 10,000 pesos.
Sir JC, anong dance competition anong competition ang mapapanalunan ng 10,000?
Dance group, okay?
Dance-
Christmas dance group po ito.
Okay.
And of course, yung ating lantern competition, ang ating BU Green Christmas Lantern Competition, ang ating first prize, 2023 BU Green Christmas Lantern Competition will receive 5,000 pesos.
5,000 pesos!
And of course, ang ating Best in Christmas Attire contingent will also be receiving 5,000 pesos.
5,000 pesos!
And of course, ang ating BU Green Christmas Carolers will be receiving 8,000 pesos tax-free. Pwede pa sila
8,000
tax-free.
pesos.
Tayo may tax.
Oo. Yung mga estudyante, wala pa silang tax.
Wala pang tax. Okay. Madaming
Pwede na yung
prizes.
gastusin sa Christmas party. O kaya naman paghati-hatian.
That's right. Huwag tayo makialam sa plano nila.
Okay, are you guys ready? Hindi pa?
Okay.
Okay.
Mic check pa sila.
Sige.
Okay, so yun. Maraming salamat sa ating mga students who are still here. Hopefully, dito pa kayo. Huwag kayong lumayo because wala lang.
Take more photos and upload it on social media. Lagyan natin ang hashtag BU Green Christmas Paskuhan 2023.
Ano yun? Hashtag?
Hashtag BU Green Christmas Paskuhan 2023.
Okay, that's
Para pag
2023.
clinic natin, di ba? Kitang-kita lahat.
That's right. Ayun. So, ready na po ang ating next contender, Sir Uno?
Let's welcome our... Ano na ba to?
Yes, the third.
Pang third. Pang fourth. Sorry, short memory. Let's welcome our next contestant, BTV TED 1A and 1B.
pusong puso'y pagkakansin. Ba't ang Pasko ay para sa atin?
Para sa atin, Pasko dito sa atin sa nanaiba. May karoling, may aginaldo at parupa. Bukod sa puso ay hindi mo nadarama. Dahil ang Pasko ay masasaya.
Silent night,
Awiting maririnig. Sa Pasko'y sasabi.
ay saya.
Dito sa ating daigdig.
Ito na,
Sa Pasko'y pag-ibig.
napasabot sa ating pagkataan.
Kailangan ang mundo'y tunay na pagmamahal. Silent night, holy night, madama.
Pasko ay darating, halina at magsaya. Kung mayroong problema, kalimutan mo na. Mga tampo sa puso ang pinagpansin. Di ba't ang Pasko ay para sa atin?
Para sa atin, Pasko dito sa ating sa nanaiba. May karoling, may aginaldo at parupa. Bukod sa puso ay hindi mo nadarama. Dahil ang Pasko ay masasaya.
Silent night,
Awit ay maririnig.
holy night,
Sa Pasko'y sasabi.
ay saya.
Dito sa ating daigdig.
Ito na,
Sa Pasko'y pag-ibig.
daan.
Kailangan ng mundo'y tunay na pagmamahal. Silent night, holy night, madama. Silent night, holy night, madama. Silent night, holy night, madama. O ano, sarok pa? Iturog sa puso, ikot ka. Nahimik na naman ang mga ilaw.
Masigi man sa pagkukasarap.
Maglagaw sa luwas, digdi, maliwanag. Karuman sa nanay, hiling ang pagmapasko. Maski sa itmagiling, ikorasyong kimat-kimat. Mahiling, liwanag ang banwa. Kaumahan, mapuna. Paglaok, hindi siyempre kimat-kimat. Nagkakabit na, senyales na kaumahan. Mahabot na, sabay sa sahimong isak-isak. Malipot na paros na naghahapian. Udyat na Pasko, aralin na. Kimat-kimat, mailawan na. Pasko talagang mailawan na. Doon sa kalangitan, nagkikinang-kinang. Nilingon mo at ating kuminaan.
Pagkatapos sa iyong pagkauna, at sa pinapalong iniwanag na
Pagkapasko, maski sa itmagiling, ikorasyong kipat-kipat. Mahiling, liwanag at banwa. Kaumahan, mapuna. Paglaok, hindi siyempre kipat-kipat. Nagkakabit na, senyales na kaumahan. Mahabot na, sabay sa sahimong isak-isak. Malipot na paros na nagkahapian. Udyat na Pasko, aralin na. Kimat-kimat, mailawan na. Pasko talagang magmahal. Sa kalikuman ka bakit? Sa pumatala, ibang bawal.
natin na makundi.
much to our fourth contenders. Ayan. So may we have the fifth and last contestants to be on stage.
Our next performer is the BikaEd 1 and BISED 1 from the College of Education.
Ayun, sigaw na sigaw. And feel na feel ng mga fans club natin over
Lang dahil marami pa tayong mga sasaksihan ng mga performance lalo na ating dance competition.
That's right. So later, again, we request our students after this last contestants, may we have the front area po.
Be vacated.
That's right, para sa ating dance competition.
Yes.
So habang nag-prepare po sila, actually Sir Uno is a very good dancer. Tama ba ako?
Humble lang ako. Sakto lang.
Sabi lang nila sa pag-sample. Siyempre hindi pwede.
Nakakatakot diba pag may sumigaw ng sample.
Okay, hindi yan uso ngayon.
Our contestants ready na po? Wait lang po. Okay, sige.
So, syempre, pasalamatan natin ang Bicol University College of Arts and Letters, Humanities Department, and of course, ang Office of Student Affairs and Services for today's or tonight's Pio Pasko at Saya.
Yes, sana at sana Sir JC mapansin din ang Mountain Dew na ginamit natin ang kanilang product sa BU Green
Yun ang
Christmas,
iniwasan
diba?
natin mag-mention ng mga...
Oo, bawal palang brand, erase.
Erase na lang po, pag-edit
Saan
na
mo
lang.
pansin ang isang brand na lang?
Okay, so pwedeng-pwede yan. So habang nag-discussion po ang mga friends natin dito sa likod,
Oo, yung iba ng mga dance groups nga pala, kindly please ensure that your music is already at the tech booth para naman ready na tayo mamaya. Okay?
okay na okay.
Okay,
So, yes.
our next group is ready. Let's welcome the BikaEd 1 and BISED 1.
you have, ladies and gentlemen, our last contender for our Pico Caroling Contest.
Thank you very much, Bikaid 1 and Bised 1. At this point, we shall now proceed. Okay. Sige. Habang may inaayos pa sa ating LED presentation, medyo luwagan pa po natin ang ating performance area for the dance competition. Medyo urong pa tayo ng konti. But you may please remain seated once you find the right spot. Okay? Para yung mga nasa likod ay makakapanood pa rin. And then yung ating mga contestants for the dance competition, please stand by on the left side of the stage so that once the group is called, ay ready to perform na po tayo.
That's right. So while we are waiting for our technical team, we also would like to say thank you to the Communication and Public Relations Office for supporting our activity. Maraming salamat po. Ayan. So our dear students, okay, again, also please maintain the cleanliness po dito sa ating commencement grounds. Okay, don't forget to... okay, so yun.
Okay, so medyo may technical difficulties lang tayo at this moment. Let's just listen to the guidelines via an audio presentation. Walang video, audio presentation. Let's go!
Guidelines for BU Green Christmas Dance Contest must be 30 to 50 performers. Original choreography interpretation of the BU Green Christmas jingle composed by Mr. Ramil Lokchavilla. Acrobatic dancing or lifting and using of fire is not allowed. Alteration of official music is not allowed. Performers may opt to add other appropriate music or sound effects only for intros and extras. Maximum of 7 minutes performance only. Only one group will be declared as BU Green Christmas Dance Group of the Year. Prizes at stake. BU Green Christmas Dance Group of the Year, 10,000. Consolation prize for non-winning groups, 5,000. Criteria for judging for the dance competition. Mastery and execution, 30%. Originality and creativity, 30%. Choreography and precision of movements, 20%. Costume, effects, props, and overall impact, 20%. For a total of 100%.
Our judges for the Pico University Green Christmas Dance Contest are theater and dance performers of the local and national productions. Our judge number 1 is a graduate of Pico University Bachelor in Performing Arts, stage director and actor for various local and national productions, scriptwriter and designer, theater arts teacher and currently the conductor of Coro Tomasino UST Junior High School Choir. Let us welcome Mr. Jobert Langdesa. Our judge number 2 is a graduate of Speech and Theater Arts in Pico University cum laude, former intern of Philippine Educational Theater Association or PETA, former faculty member and advisor of Arts Club UST Legazpi, coach, dance trainer of various dance competition, teacher member of Albay Siglab Folkloric Group which represented Depet Albay at the 2nd Indonesia International Culture Festival 2023. Currently teaching at Daraga National High School. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Carla Jane Ann C. Judge number 3 is a graduate of Speech and Theater Arts, Pico University cum laude, former intern, CCP and OPM, main cast of Sayaw Kantulong Bulod as Oriolo, former member of the Pico University Nubayon Dance Troupe, Philippine representative, 7th PBRU's ASEAN Cultural Exposition and International Music and Dance Festival in Thailand, National Awardee, DepEd TV Awards as Teacher Performer, Songwriter, Awardee, Director-Producer for Best Infotainment Program, Asian Academy Creative Awards 2021 in Singapore. DepEd Senior High School Teacher, our Chair of the Board of Judges, Ms. Brinichelle B. Warder.
Ayan, so ladies and gentlemen, while we are preparing, again, we request our students to kindly clean the area para na rin. Maraming salamat.
Sir JC, shall we call on our first contestant?
That's right.
Okay, we shall now proceed with the finalists, the performance of our finalists for the BU Green Christmas Dance Competition.
Okay, so please move backwards pa rin po. Baka po pagkulan ng espasyo ang ating mga dancers. Okay, move backwards po, please.
Move backwards, please.
Maraming salamat sa mga nakaintindi.
Meron silang props na lechon.
Totoong lechon daw yun para sa atin.
Okay. Our first performer, ready na po ang ating performers? May movement. Sige, sige. Habang nag-aayos ng ating performers,
Ayan po ating mga panel of judges.
ayan, may pinapasok na table for the catering services.
Ayan. Ay.
Mukhang may pasabog, Sir JC, ang ating first performer. Props pa lang, talaga namang may say na sa dance floor.
Oo. Ayun, so ladies and gentlemen, our first contestant.
Hindi pa yata ready. Talaga namang nag-effort sa costume ang ating first performer, Sir JC. Di ba?
Contestants, remember, may time limit po tayo. Okay?
Are we ready for our first performer? Let's welcome our first performer for the BU Green Christmas Dance Competition, BSCE 2B! I believe there's a problem with the audio file coming from our contestant. Maybe someone from your group, please coordinate with the tech group.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I introduce to you Green. What's up, guys? How you doing? What do you want for Christmas, CeeLo? For Christmas? All I need is love. Oh, yeah. All I need is love. Yeah. All I need is love, love, love. Just why the agents sent me a 60-inch in every room. But all I wanna see is you. Got the cash to take vacations to a beach in every nation. I don't wanna be a school, but I'm not going without you. Santa don't know what to get me. I just wanna see my baby. All I need is love. Santa, won't you come and get me? And take me where I'll find my baby. All I need is love, baby. All I need is you, baby. All I need is la la la. All I need is la la la.
I think the Muppets hit a new low.
Yeah, and his first name is C.
Thank you very much, BSCE2B! Palakpakan natin!
Wow na wow!
Despite the technical difficulties, hindi pa rin nagpaawat sa kanilang energy. And reminding our performers to kindly please do not leave any props on our performance area in courtesy of our next performer.
Sure, ayun yung election, no? Hindi ko napansin.
Oo nga, hindi ko napansin. Alam mo ba, Sir JC, we are streaming live on Facebook, so kindly please share our live stream to your friends and family members para marami tayong mileage na maaabot. Okay? Shall we proceed with our next performer?
Of course, Sir Uno. Ready na ba tayo? Bicol University! Oo daw. Pagod na rin yung mga kids.
Okay, let's call on our next performer from the College of Nursing, BUCN 1D! Thank you very much, BSN 1D.
Grabe yung energy, no? Okay, oh, by the way, we would like to remind our dear students na please stay because we are still going to have your mass dancing competition and of course yung awarding po natin.
Yes, Sir JC. At syempre, we'd like to remind our performers to kindly please pick up your props. Do not leave it on our performance area. And of course, if you have someone from your class that needs to coordinate to our tech booth in case of technical difficulties, please do so. Let's welcome our next performer, Arky 1A and 1B. Thank you very much for a very festive performers, Arky 1A and 1B.
That's right. And before we proceed to the next contestants or contenders, we have here lost and found na pink na wallet. This is not Louis Vuitton, but I think this is owned by Miss Nuiles. Ayan na Nuiles. May ID po kasi ito sa loob. Okay, if this is yours, claim it.
Yes, kanina may nawawala ng cellphone, so kindly please take charge of your personal belongings. We shall now proceed with our next performer. Let's welcome the BPEA 1 and BSMT 1! BSMT1. Reminder again, kindly please pick up your props before we proceed with our next performer.
Siyempre speechless ako. Ayun. So yun.
Napakahusay, di ba? Colorful.
And golden.
Oo. Pinakyaw nila yung ribbons ng ano.
Golden
Kaya,
anniversary.
kaya wala na kang mabili ng ribbons.
Actually, nagkaubusan po ng mga headbands po sa ating mga...
Oo nga. Pati fairy lights nagkaubusan po.
True.
Pati soft drinks na.
Pati pera din syempre.
Oo.
Okay, so yun.
And now, we shall now call on our next performer, the last but not the least. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a round of applause for BSIT 3C and BS Chem 3! magpapakanta ka, Sir JC, sa sobrang kaligayahan ng ating contestant.
Of course! Ulitin ko na kanta. Oh, Pasko, Pasko.
Yes! Thank you very much, BSID 3C and BS Chem 3. Palakpakan po natin ang lahat ng contestants for our dance competition and of course our Bicol Christmas Caroling competition.
On that note, we are now so ready to listen to our dear Department Chair for the acknowledgement. Please welcome on stage Professor Ramil Bloch Chavenilla.
Yay!
Okay, bueno, mga tugang. Tatapos na ang misa kung celebrada Budaan Santa Cruzan, siyempre matao pasalamat ang Presidente ng Paris Pastoral Council. Isinurat ko kung ano ang masakuyang pasalamatan taara mo naman sila nagugurang, nagkikibra na ang memorya. Enot gusto kong pasalamatan ang mga estudyante na nagpartisipar mo niya na banggi. So dahil pa nag-uruli, parakpakan sa inyo ka, boss! Tapos ka mauragon. So mga nag-assister na mga estudyante, at yung iba, hambang kungunyan, sa ground preparation, salamat natin sa inyo ka, boss, sa pamayo ni Sir Jared, sa documentation, videographer, photographer, mabawi ako sa inyo. Magduman sa nakamusalang ako, okay na. Sa pakipagdabangan tabi kan Department of sa PA Communication, Sir Adrian, sa CSC students, yan USC, representative na nagtarabang man, okay? Sa gabos na mga finalists, hindi lang tabi kamugana, pero igwagis, pinaka-matibay. Kaya, nagpakita mga judges. Aratunta at siya, mga miyembro kan Board of Judges na maski matanga na ani sa tuya sa pakisumaro mo niya. Anday tabi indo aram andua sa mga miyembro kan judges tangon yan. Iyo ang kainot inuting nagbaylikan Bio Green Christmas asin sinda ang naggibukan choreography. Wag ko kamo. Suna inot. Okay, sige. Di okay lang ha. Okay. Ang members kang BU Band sa pamayo ni Sir Alex, ang BU Magayon dance troupe with Ma'am Karina and si Sir Melvin. Siyempre sa OSAS, yaw pa po si Sir Dave. Okay? And sa Sentro ng Wika at Kultura, si Ma'am Eve. Ang Cluster 2 Administration Office sa pamayo ni Ma'am Mitz Mau, salamat tabi sa paganduyo, asin ang back. Ang Dean's Office sa pamayo ni Ma'am Irene, asin sayang kay Riba, si Ma'am Marnie, asin ang gabos ng mga miyembros kan faculty, department heads na anion sa ngunya na banggi, deans and directors na nakisumaro, pangaling tugutan ang sendang mga estudyante, and siyempre, ang Office of the President sa pamayo ni Sir Benji, and the VPs, si Ma'am Juliet. Yan pa si Ma'am Juliet. Okay? So, sa mga mahiguson kong kaeriba sa Humanities Department, the home of the endangered species. Lalo na sa trio Los Hermanos, si JC Ono, 2, 3, 4, 5, si Jared, ang tulong ang panag-iribahan. Asin sa kuya ng mga part-time lovers, mga part-timers na minadap lang sa satuyang kasibutan mo niya na banggi. Salamatunan tabi sa inyo, gubos ko na saro-saroon kung ano ang mga pigparagiribo nindo. Diyos ang magbalo sa indo. Sa satuya tabi na stage manager na tigapod kong Miss CSC Emeritus, buda bagong mundag asin ilihidong presidente kan Republika kan UUFA, si Ma'am Hindi, giniputa sa nangunyan na stage manager. Okay, salamat tabi. Sinurog sa gabo sa mahal na Diyos, siyempre nasa laog gisobra sa sarong dekada, dai patabi inuran ang okasyon kan Bio Green Christmas. Not a single an event kang Bio Green Christmas na nagpura. Salamat unong tabi sa mahal na Diyos. Siyempre sa sound system ta, kunya na nasusulbiran ang problema mi kakasuba ko. Ang nagtatao tabi ang naggigibo niyan kan live streaming. Ano tabi ka mong studio, sir?
Colored candy po. Colored candy.
Color candy. Di limon. Okay, sige. Salamat tabi sa Bicol University sa pag-anduyo. Ako tabi ang sa indong hermano mayor mo niya nabanggi. Namin nasabing, I love you all. Merry Christmas. As in, have a bountiful and a prosperous New Year. Iyon ang inang ng gabos. Excited na kamo kan sa indo tabi na mas dancing magprepara na. Okay, tabi, instruction. Kung sisay man po ang i-declare na ganang nyo nabanggi, pagkakuan nindo kan sa indong award, magpasiring tabi duman sa lamesa kan kapitan, takaypuhan makuha ang ngaran kan sa indong representative. Importante yung puan, ninhuli takon dai nindo maitarang o maibuktakan sa indong representatives, dai tabi mapaprocess ang sa indong awards. Dahil pag mag-expect mo niyan kikas award dahil kay puan mo unang makuha ang mga pangaran bago ma-process ang awards indo. But, nangako man tabi ang cluster office nangunyan na bulan bago magsara ang taon na may klase pa, hihingawahon na mapamundag ang mga CAS awards nido tanganing bago ko magsaruwayan, nag-reward na lamang kamo kang CAS awards nido. Iyo, tanganing Happy New Year kamo. Salamat sa Diyos, asin maugmahon ang Pasko kan Bicol University ninhuli sa Indo Gabos.
Thank you very much, Sir Plug, for that heartwarming message. At this point, ladies and gentlemen, fellow Biueños, balik na po tayo sa ating kanya-kanyang blocks. Pwede na po i-occupy ang ating performance area dyan sa baba for our mass dancing. Ayan, balik na po tayo.
Ito yung exciting part kasi syempre, buong klase nagtulong-tulong
Yes.
para sa kanilang mass dancing.
For our community dance. Balik na po tayo. Please occupy the space in front. Please come forward na po so that we'll have our mass dancing. Our mass dancing will have two parts. The first one ay yung ating basic movements, yung kinokopya natin sa video. And then the second one, yung unique choreography na ginawa ninyo. And then on the last portion, I will throw up in the air ang ating hand props.
Okay, so please, go na kayo sa mga grupo nyo and we shall start. May request po. Okay, sige, mag-formation po tayo. Okay, let's form a line first.
May we request also the assistance of our professors.
And our council, please assist. Okay.
Yung ating professors na nakakakilala sa kanilang mga klase, kindly please assist.
Okay, so arms forward and of course sidewards also po para maganda tignan ang ating mass dancing.
Yung nariyan sa right side, kindly please usog kayo dito para mailawan ng konti. Okay? Meron pa po dito. Okay. Sige po, pakiayos na ng formation, yung linya.
Okay, arms sidewards po para at least maganda yung natin documentation.
And then, our judges po will occupy the side. Our judges for the dance
Yes, and
will now occupy the side portion of our stage. May we request the assistance of our stage managers and facilitators to please remove the table on stage.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen po, sidewards po tayo.
Arm sidewards, please.
Okay, simulan na po natin. Let's be leaders. Okay? Ayan.
Bigat.
Sige.
Extend your arms, please.
Arms sideward! Mga bata, magsisimula na ang mass demonstration. Arms sideward! Move! Move the abe managiriro. Okay. Move. May bakanti pa. Oh. Harap sa kaliwa. Kaliwa uli. Harap sa kaliwa. Doon ang harap sa ano, sa...
4 pillars.
Yan. Doon sa 4 pillars. Okay, arm sideward. Move! Okay.
Yung mga nasa hulihan po, please organize yourselves.
Okay. Harap sa likod. Na! Dito na ang harap sa ano. Yan, sige.
Harap na sa stage.
Ayan. Yung sa likod po, please, ayusin po natin linya.
Okay. Dapat magandang linya para maganda ang ano makuha. Okay. Ready na? Okay. 2 times tayong sasayaw. Common dance and your own interpretation sa ikalawa. Pagtapos ng music, lahat ng inyong mga lanterns taas. Bitawan sa taas.
Magka-countdown pa tayo ba, sir? Para i-throw up sa air?
Yeah, i-throw off nyo. Okay, magka-countdown sila. Okay.
Lights off.
Lights. Ready? Handa na ba kayo? Ready?
Sasamuyang probinsyang albay, karanahan mababatay ang tunay. Makisumano, makiumang sa Pasko, nagkakaiba. Tulog sa muyang kanmaan, sa pagkabutan, kalinagurangan. Ang berdeng kapalimutan, sa tulog kapos ng kamakutan. Albay, Christmas, wala
So ako natabing ang lantern, kailangan kami kaapat kayo ma. Donate it to us. Kung ako na ka mga lantern. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much, everyone, for a very lively community dance. Okay, stay put lamang tayo because in a short while we shall announce the winners.
But before that, we're going to proceed with the awarding of certificates of appreciation to the members of the Board of Judges. To award, of course, may we have the Department Chair of the Humanities on stage, Professor Bloch Chavenia, together with
Dr. Eileen R. Moral, our Dean at the College of Arts and Letters,
and the Director of Centro ng Wika at Kultura, Dr. Evelyn C. Olipino. And of course, our Associate Dean, Professor Marnie Morano. Para maiba. Okay?
Okay, allow me to read the citation. This certificate of commendation is given to Mr. Christian Y. Berwega for sharing his invaluable expertise as judge during the Bicol University Green Christmas 2023 Green Lantern Competition and Parade held on December 30, 2023 at Bicol University Commencement Ground, Legazpi City.
Dios mabalos, Sir Christian.
Given this 13th day of December 2020 at Bicol University Commencement Ground, Legazpi City, signed Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Dinabres, SUC President. Same certificate is also given to our next judge, Professor Princess May O. Morota.
Thank you, Madam Princess.
Same certificate is also given to Professor Vida Rafaela B. Candelaria. Same certificate is also awarded to Madam Carla Jane N.C.
Saan dance move naman daw ang Carla? Yeah.
And same certificate is also given to Madam Rinichelle B. Warde.
Ang original na Oriol.
And also same certificate is also given to Mr. Jobert Lantesa.
Thank you, Robert.
Let's give a round of applause to our Board of Judges. Judging this competition is never easy. Kaya naman nahirapan ang ating Board of Judges. Shall we now have the results of our
Thank you very
competition?
much to our director, Dr. Efrain Olitino, Dr. Moral, and Professor Morano. Maraming salamat po. Pasensya at na-store mo kayo. Mag-awarding ba pala mga madam? Balik po tayo sa entablado. Nagaya namang estudyante namin, nag-practice din tayo.
We now have the results! So, hold on everyone! The announcement of winners will be announced by the chairman of the panel of judges. May I call back Madam Vina Rafaela V. Candelaria, the chair of the panel of judges for Lantern Attire Contest. Lantern and Attire Contest. We shall start with Christmas-inspired attire. Best in Christmas attire. Once your group is called, sir, saan sila mag-occupy? Lower stage? You shall occupy the lower stage. Okay?
At ito na ang cheque!
Ayan, napakalaking cheque! Okay, and also, once your group is called, the representative, kindly please proceed on the tent for signing of an agreement.
The winner will be receiving 5,000 pesos.
Madam Vida, ikaw po mag-a-announce.
The best in Christmas attire is Bipea and BSMT.
Let's give a round of applause to our Bipea and BSMT 1A and 1B. Kindly please receive your prize. And also the class representative, kindly please proceed at the tent. And pa-picture po tayo.
May babakal na konti. Salamat sa pagtakip. Hindi ba ako tapos mag-grade? Huwag kayo dito, guys. Yun, upo kayo. Yan. Yan. Oh, 1, 2, say Bipea, BSMT! Marco, punta ka daw doon. Okay, congratulations, Bipea and BSMT! So proud! And next is